Hi friends, welcome back to Channel Tech Point. In this tutorial we are going to see how to convert any Python file into exe file. Go to pyinstall.org website. In this website you can find the steps. For converting any Python file to exe file, we need to install pyinstaller. These are the steps. First we need to install the pyinstaller. Go to CMD. Type pip install pyinstaller. This is the command to install the pyinstaller. I already installed. For checking the pyinstaller version, type pyinstaller -v. Pyinstaller version is 5.8.0. I taking one calculator program from the Google. You can take any example. Copy this entire code. Go to IDLE. Create a new file. Paste the code here. You can take any example or any py file as your wish. Save it. I save in download. With the name calculator. Click on save. File save. Go to downloads. Open .py file. The calculator opened here. Now what we will do, we will convert the .py file now. For that, open command prompt. We are using pyinstaller program name. We need to provide the program name. Paste it here. Click on enter. It will generate the exe file. Build successfully. Go to downloads. Here you can see it will generate the dist file. Within the dist file, it will generate all the files. Scroll down. Here you can see calculator.exe file generated. Double click on exe. Your calculator running. Suppose we give any values. Yeah, it will working successfully. Now what we will do, I don't want this dist file. I need only single file .exe file. No need of all the remaining files. For that, open CMD again. Pyinstaller -1 file name. It will generate the only single exe file. Click on enter. It will take some time to generate a single exe file. Yeah, you can see building exe successfully completed. Go to downloads again. Select the dist file. You can see it will generate only one exe file. Double click on exe. It will run the application. In this way we can convert any Python file .py to .exe. In this way, we can convert any .py file to exe file. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.